they are empowered, yung desire nila, yung pangarap nila sa sarili nila, at they are really skillful. They are appreciated pala. Kasi investing in our people talaga is the best decision that we should do. My name is Sid Aguilar. I'm the CEO of Miss Sid Beauty Lounge. So, ang pinakamalaking problema ng company talaga namin is yung character, yung mga tao na pumapasok at umaalis din agad. And nagkakaproblema din kami sa yung mga personal problems ng bawat isa, mga nangangailangan, mga utangan, ganyan. So, basically talaga, there's really problem within a person na nakakaapekto talaga ng pagtatrabaho nila. Bilang isang business owner, nakakatuwa makita na they are empowered and talagang nakita ko how they step up and step out from the comfort zone na meron sila. I saw their courage, the confidence in them, and yung trust nila sa sarili nila na nag-fade. At ngayon talaga, sobrang saya ko kasi nakita ko talaga yung puso nila, yung desire nila, yung pangarap nila sa sarili nila at sa company where they were. During the Emerge session, talagang nakakatuwa silang panoorin, pakinggan, tingnan. Nakita ko yung focus talaga nila sa mga naririnig nila. They are empowered. Tapos nakikita ko kung paano nila na-appreciate ang bawat isa. And na-remind sila na they are really skillful, talented, na they are appreciated pala and loved by one another. Inspiring sila ngayon, mas motivated at talagang empowered sila to work. So para naman sa mga business owners na gustong umattend ng Emerge, sobrang worth it talaga tong training na to. And it's really the best decision that you will make in investing in our people. Kasi investing in our people talaga is the best decision that we should do.